Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the Whitehead Junior Project 17. It is of new version, old version I have uploaded it so you can check it on my channel. So the Project 17 of Whitehead Junior is rocket launch. In this project, we have to like here is the uh, rocket. So the rocket should move and rocket should go to the earth. So the initial output will be like this, and we have to create the game like this. So we have to launch the rocket and it should land on this planet. Like that we have to create a game. So click on start project button. Next, click on view code. Click on remix. So here we have to fill the incomplete codes. Okay, so this is easy project, not that hard. So here type rocket, because here is rocket, and rocket set animation rocket. And after that we have to just then key down space, and it should be -10 and -10. And after that the velocity rocket of 260 will be -1 and -1. Okay, so here I will type -1, and here also -1. After that the x should be also rocket, and it should be rocket, and it should be greater than 40, and this should be 0 and 0. And here I forgot to type, I have to type here rocket only. No, just wait a second. Yes, rocket. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so here just fill rocket. Here also rocket. So it will be go from here, and it will reach here. And I have created a gaming channel. So I upload games videos there in Hindi language. I play PC games, mobile games. You can check that also. I will mention the link in the description box. Okay, you can check it out if you are interested in gaming. So let's run and check if our code is working or not. So we have to press space, and it will go first. It will go here. It will go fast, and it will become slow if, and slowly it will become slow like this. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, yeah. Click on reset, and you can and it's working. So just copy this link. So rename it. First rename it project 17, and click on save, share, copy link to project, and paste it here. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so bye bye. Thanks for watching, and you can check my coding channel if you, oh sorry, gaming channel if you are interested.